What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back for another shave. Tonight's shaving soap is a new soap to the den. Got Arianna Evans Corinthian Leather, which is a soap that I've been wanting to get for a little while. I love leathers. Such a nice scent. I'm going to leave the scent notes up on the screen there for you. It is in the Kaizen 2 base formula. Going to be using the QED Select tonight. And I'm going to be bowl lathering tonight in my Pereira Shavery Shave Bowl. There's the sample, or the little bit of soap that I got pressed in there on the nubs. Going to be finishing the shave off with the matching aftershave splash, and the razor of choice tonight is going to be my vintage Louis Ernst & Sons razor that I had restored by Russell Barton a little while back. All right, let's get this brush locked and loaded full of suds. I am not much of a bowl latherer, but I was watching a video, or actually a interview done by Soap Thing, where he interviewed Aaron from AA Shaves, and they were talking about bowl lathering. And I'm a I'm a tub latherer. So after listening to that podcast, I was like, you know what? I'm going to try bowl lathering and see for the next couple of shaves if I can get better shaves with bowl lathering. When I bowl lathered in the past, I admit my skills of bowl lathering aren't that great. I just never really cared to try to perfect it and get better at it. I was getting really good shaves with tub lathering, but after listening to that podcast or that little interview, it made me curious to whether I can get better shaves with bowl lathering. So I'm going to test it out and see if I can get better at it and see if I can create better lathers with these bowl lathering. I did wash my face before, so I kind of did that for pre-shave. With face lathering, I don't do pre-shave because you're just preparing your face with the scrubbing the soap into your face. So that's what I've got worked up right now. Plenty of lather, probably used way too much soap. And the scent is killer. Scent strength on a 1 to 10 scale, I'd put slightly above mid-range. Oh man, the lather looks really good. To be honest with you, I probably put way too much soap into that bowl. All right, let's just add some water and paint it in. I'm going to leave a link to the video in the description below. Stop by, check that video out. It was a good conversation, a very interesting conversation. So stop by and check out Ben at Soap Thing, and also check out Aaron at AA Shaves. I will link both of their channels. I actually, in every video, feature in the comments below 3 channels. I always mention 3 different channels every time I do a video. So if you're new to watching wet shaving content, check my description and you'll find 3 new channels every week or every time I post a video. Sorry about the noise. My daughter's room is just next to the bathroom here, and she's in there watching TV. She's been home sick. She's feeling better though. She had a little stomach bug, but she's feeling better now, and thank God nobody else got it. The stomach bug sucks. All right, I think I'm good here. Just smooth out the lather a little bit. I think I'm good here. I got plenty of lather in my brush and plenty of lather in a bowl here. I probably used way too much soap. I'm not used to bowl lathering. So hopefully over the next couple of weeks, which is what I'm going to plan on doing. I think for the next, let's say about a month, I'm going to do a month of bowl lathering and see with different soaps and see what kind of shaves I get, if I get better shaves. If I don't like the quality, then I'll just go back to tub lathering. All right, let's go for the first pass here. Working on 2.5 days worth of growth. So how's everybody doing? How was everybody's week at work? How was everybody's week? It is Friday night here as I film this. I'm hoping to get this up tomorrow, Saturday morning. Got a busy week ahead of me, or a busy weekend. We are taking the kids to a rodeo, which is about an hour from the house. We're going to be meeting some friends out there. I've never been to a rodeo before. Anybody been to a rodeo before? Yeah, I've never been to one before, so not sure what to expect. I'm sure it'll be fun though. Yeah, this is a really, really nice scent. This is probably one of my new favorite leather scents. My other favorite leathers are Ghost Town Barber, which has got a leather note in it. Weekend Rodeo. And then one from local gent that they don't make anymore called Tobacco Lounge. All right, let me rinse up here. Oh, grab the towel over here. Did give myself a little weeper, but I think I got a blemish. I don't think I cut myself with the razor. I didn't feel it. I just saw a little bit of blood as I was shaving. All right. Yeah, more than enough lather, so probably put way too big of a dollop into the shave bowl. So I'm gonna have to experiment with how much I put into my bowl and with different soaps and see what I actually need. So yeah, what they were talking about in that interview is that the soap, the soap will last longer. The scent won't be degraded, I guess, because of you can hear my daughter in the background. The scent won't be weakened because of the water. If you bloom your soap, it won't be the scent strength won't decrease, I guess, over time. Honestly, in my experience, I've never had any of my soaps decrease in scent strength that I've found. The reason why I'm trying to get doing this bowl lathering or trying bowl lathering is to see if I like it better and to see if I can get better at bowl lathering and to see if I end up, you know, switching to bowl lathering as opposed to face lathering. I bought this Pereira shave bowl a little while back, and honestly, it just sits here. This is the first time I've used it in quite a while. All right, we're good. More than enough lather here. Get rid of that notification there. More than enough lather here. Look at that. Ton of lather there. All right. Let's go for the second pass here. Yeah, so far good. Good slickness. Yeah, the only reason why I never really stuck with bowl lathering was because I never could create a really good lather. It was never slick enough for me. But I'm really happy with the lather I got out of this. But it's also A&E. A&E is a good quality soap. So I'll have to experiment with different soaps. Yeah, buffing is really working out very nice for me. I never used to do it before, but ever since I started doing it, I'm really getting good results here. No irritation or anything like that. Couple of weepers here, but I had some blemishes on the chin there, and I had some blemishes around the soul patch here, not from the razor. I think that is going to be it. Just do a touch up on the neck down here. I always miss some hair here. And that is going to do it for this shave. And you just rinse up here. Very nice shave tonight. Very, very nice shave. I'm very pleased with the lather I got tonight. So, looking forward to testing this out and seeing what kind of results I get with different soaps. We're gonna shake this up real good. Corinthian leather tonight. Awesome, awesome, awesome scent. I knew I was gonna like this one. As soon as I saw the scent note description, I love leather, and I was like, you know what, I gotta get it. I also got another one coming in that I can't wait to get. I got a sample sent to me from a friend of mine, and I liked the scent so much that I just went ahead and ordered a tub. But you will see that for the next shave. He also sent me a razor to try out, a DE razor. So for my next shave, I'm going to be showing you the soap that I ordered and the DE razor that he lent me, and I'm really looking forward to using that because I've heard a lot about this razor. That's going to do it for this shave. Real quick recap, went with Arianna Evans Corinthian Leather in the Kaizen 2E formula. Matched it with the matching aftershave here. Brush of choice tonight was the QED Select. Bowl tonight was the Pereira Shavery Shave Bowl. And razor of choice tonight was my vintage Louis Ernst & Sons straight razor. And that's going to do it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend. Take care. See you again soon for another shave.